Are you looking for an alternative to the expensive Canon BP828 battery? Are you considering the BM Premium BP828 battery? I recently purchased the BM Premium alternative and will compare it to the Canon OEM battery. Stay with me to see what I've learned. Hi, I make videos about DIY solutions and pass on what I learned to you, and review the products that are key to these solutions. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get updates on future videos. Let's go. I have a Canon XA40 that came with a smaller Canon BP820 780 mAh battery. I recently had the opportunity to video a sunrise at Boneyard Beach in the Cape Romaine National Wildlife Refuge in South Carolina. For this adventure, I wanted a second battery and figured I may as well get the larger BP828 2670 mAh size. If you would like to watch this sunrise, there's a link to a YouTube short at the end. This is what the BP820 and BP828 look like next to each other. As you can see, the BP828, which has more milliamp hours, is about a third longer than the BP820. The $150 price of the Canon OEM battery is crazy compared to third-party alternatives. This is a sample of what I found. I have used Watson batteries and a Panasonic Lumix camera for over 4 years. The Watson battery seems equivalent to the OEM Panasonic battery, but I never made a measured comparison. I'm comfortable with the Watson brand, but what about the other brands that are half their price and 1/5 of the Canon price? I came across some favorable reviews of Wasabi batteries that I considered credible, although not the BP828 specifically. I was leaning in that direction, but I needed a battery in 2 days and couldn't get the Wasabi battery that quick without paying for expedited delivery. The BM Premium battery was available in 2 days from Amazon, but there were some concerning general comments about BM Premium batteries. One complaint was that after the BM Premium battery was fully charged using a BM Premium charger, the battery got hot if it wasn't removed from the charger. This complaint was for a BM Premium Sony replacement battery, not the Canon BP828. Another complaint was that Canon battery chargers would not charge third-party batteries. Other than those comments, the reviews I found were generally favorable, but none were of the BP828 specifically. So I took a chance and ordered the BM Premium BP828 battery from Amazon. I ordered the battery and that charger kit shown here for $34.99. 2 days later it arrived. This is what it looks like. There's a couple boxes. I have the battery itself. The charger is plugged for a 120 volt receptacle. Have an adapter for European power, plugs on there. Then you have a adapter for 12 volt power, which plugs in here. That way you can charge it from your car, your boat. Quite a complete package. Let's see if it fits in the camera. Fits in there perfectly. You probably heard the click. A good sign. So how does it stack up against the Canon OEM battery? The important parameter is recording time, so that's what I'll measure and compare. If this is helpful, give it a like. Since I do not have a $150 Canon BP828 to do a true apples-to-apples comparison with, I calculated an assumed Canon BP828 recording time based on the recording time of the Canon BP820 battery and the differences between these two Canon batteries in milliamp hours. The actual recording time of my Canon BP820 battery is 2 hours and 10 minutes. This is a rate of 0.069 minutes per milliamp hour. At the same rate, the recording time of the Canon BP828 battery should be approximately 3 hours and 4 minutes. For my comparison, I will use 3 hours and 4 minutes as the benchmark recording time. This is not a perfect apples-to-apples comparison, but how the BM BP828 battery performs relative to this benchmark will be a meaningful measure. At Boneyard Beach, I shot 4 hours and 22 minutes of video using the BM BP828 battery. This exceeds my calculated benchmark. I charged the BM BP828 battery in a BM battery charger using AC power. The battery goes into the charger just like so. It slides up and locks. The red light on the top indicates that the battery is charging. When the light turns green, the battery is fully charged. The battery charged from dead to full in 4 hours and 11 minutes. During charging and after the battery was fully charged, both the battery and the charger remained at room temperature. It did not get hot as reported with the BM Sony battery replacement. The BM battery charger also charged my Canon BP820 battery without any problems. I mentioned earlier that there were some complaints that Canon battery chargers would not charge third-party batteries. So I tested this on my XA40 with the AC power cord connected. When installing the BM battery, you can see the power light comes on. So the XA40 camera will charge the BM battery without any problem. For my money, the BM BP828 battery is a great buy and I recommend it. There's a link below. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get updates on future videos. Thanks for watching.